Hello everybody, this is Feira from Feira Coins. We have the second section of NGC unboxing, and that's the first one, and this is the second one. They came in separate boxes. This one came in huge box, I don't know why. So I pre-open it. So let's see, right here it's all Carson series and the key dates only from Morgan Silver Dollars. And let me flip in here. Let's see what you get in here. And let's start from the lowest date and so on. The first one, that's the first year, 1878 Carson City, Morgan Silver Dollar, that's the first year, certified MS62. And 1878 they strike over 2 million coins. I thought they gonna give me PL here, but they did it. I don't know why, but it's just beautiful. Anyways, 1878 CC is started really good. I know some coins is gonna have a details on it, green and whatever, but it's still good to be certified, just to verify to the customer the authenticity. And the second one, it is a Ferrari coin, 1879 Carson City, top 100, fan 3 cap CC. I'm gonna make separate video about those Ferrari coins later on, because if not, this video is gonna stay too long. And that's AU details, 1879 CC. They struck only 756,000, and this coin is have a price because have a top 100 coin. The next one is a beautiful 1880 Carson City MS64. It's in high grade. 1880 CC, they struck only 591,000 coins. That's a beautiful 1880. The next one is another one, 1881 CC MS62. 1881 is extremely low mintage. They struck only 296,000 coins. That's a beautiful key date. There's a tie crack coin all around up here, as you can see on states off. Showing out those letters in there. 1881 CC. Extremely low mintage. The next one is one of those common Morgans as Carson City. It's 1882 CC. 1882 CC, they struck 1.1 million coins. That's in uncirculated MS63. The Air Force is beautiful. There's no bad marks at all here. The next one is 1883cc MS64. It's in high grade. 1883cc they struck 1.2 million coins. And that's a beautiful sample of. The reverse always is way better the upverse because of the back marks. That happening on big coins. This 1884cc MS62, uncirculated 62. They struck about 1.1 million. The next one, that's the best of the best, I think. I don't think I can get better than that. 1885cc MS66 is a investment graded coin, anywhere up to 65. This is MS66, 1885cc. That's the kit date. They struck only 228,000 coins. 228,000 coins as MS66 with gold patina. Still could be true. Look how beautiful is this coin. MS66. The next one, 1890cc AU58. 1890cc, they struck over 2.3 million coins. Is almost uncirculated. AU58 is a nice coin. It's not that easy to get it. Usually 83, 84, that's the easy ones. That's a nice example. The next one is 1891cc top 100 fan 3 Speed Eagle. It's AU55. 1891cc they struck more than 1.6 million coin. That's a top 100 fan 3 Speed Eagle. Speeding Eagle. I kinda show later on what that means. I think we still can get it. You see on the mouth of the eagle, that little line here, that's what that means. Looks like the eagle speed. Happening on quarters, state quarters, speeding horse. That's the speeding eagle. Okay. On top of CC, there's a fan on it, a top 100. It's a beautiful coin. The next one it's a slightly straight number, that's good. 1892cc. 1892cc, they struck over 1.3 million, which is AU58. With nice patina, nice coloration on the eagle feathers. That's 1892. The next one is a low grade 1892S San Francisco. Very fine details. 1892S in uncirculated, the price goes thousands. Okay, they struck only 1.2 million. Jesus AU detail, very fine details. Usually AU. It's a beautiful coin. There's a little tint on the rim here, and this coin went for a long time circulation. That's what happening. Okay, 1892 S Morgan. The next one and the last will be 1893 AUT Tells Morgan. 1893 they struck up only 378,000. Is another kit. It's a UTTL. Just coin was green at some point. Is still most of those coins 1893 you find in very fine condition on it, and that's what happened. And I have a bonus. Let me show you a bonus. Stay with me. Give me a second. I have 2 coins in here. I sent this what's that? I sent this coin 1889 cc. They say not suitable for circulation. It is really heavy damage, but they never say it's fake. Look how much damage this coin. Speed up coin. But at the same time, 1889 cc. It's extremely expensive coin. They struck about 350,000. It's really hard to find one. But this coin is being into war. Look how beat up the rim, the edge, everything. They not say it's a fake. Sometimes they say not genuine. But this one they just say not suitable for certification. Let me know what you guys think about this coin. Should I send again? What do you think? The next one, it's 1884S. It's a paratate, 9 encapsulator, ulterior surface. I knew this coin is heavy damage. I knew when somebody polished this coin with machine. It's not just with the clock. You see how flat it is. There's no loss, no nothing. That's a machine polish to make it shine. Okay. The weight matches, the details matches, everything matches. They never say it's fake, but I know somebody working on the patina. They polish this coin really heavy and they make a little coat on top of that with some chemical. You can see the coloration with purple, brown around the field, around the letters. Okay, so this coloration is artificial. Before we send, we knew that, but I expect to put at least original or genuine. But that's why they decide not to encapsulate this coin. And I have one more. That's the one I'm not happy with. Let me find it here. It's this one. 1895S. Once again, they not say it's fake. I knew this coin have a lot of damage on it. Made it damage, not towards the circulation. And let me remove from here. You see all those tools marks start on the stars. The second star go all the way up to the gem, to the face. This is like looks like somebody when it was polished this coin, they lost the grip and almost cut this coin in half. and then start to kicking back in here on the face. You see here? That one really heavy and start to kick back, and then he remove it, of course. This coin was polished by machine, that's for sure. And when I saw online they say 9 capsuleira alterated surface, I thought they might fix it, they might work on the meme mark, because sometimes they fake with the same coin. Let's say they have 95 on Philadelphia to make a S on it, but the meme mark is original. I spent some time to look around. There's not 2 marks in here. The only 2 marks on this coin, it's special up first. They want to make extra shine, maybe sell online to make a better pictures on it. They damaged the coin. I knew it was damaged, but they decided not to certify this coin. Let me know if should I send back again or leave the way it is. But it is a beautiful coin. Okay guys, almost dropped the coin. That's all I have for today. Thank you for watching.